Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to play Fortnite on a phone. First, sign into your Epic Games account and verify your email so your progress syncs. Next, confirm your phone meets performance requirements and free storage space. After installing from the official source, open Settings, set frame rate and resolution for smooth play, and connect a controller if you prefer tactile aiming. Follow these steps, and you will be set to jump into matches confidently. Start by tuning performance settings for your phone so you get steady frames without overheating. Adjust graphical quality and resolution to balance visuals with smooth play, then lock portrait orientation if you prefer a consistent view. Tailor touch controls by moving buttons and testing sensitivity until aiming feels natural. Consider a small controller for complex builds, and test audio settings for footsteps and direction so you can react faster in matches. Focus on simple, repeatable strategies that translate to small screens and touch controls. Prioritize mobility items and healing so you can survive early encounters, and practice one or two reliable build moves until they become second nature. Use headphones to hear threats and communicate quickly with teammates using quick ping options. Keep rotations predictable and avoid open fights against controller or PC players unless you have cover or an advantage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.